What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Today we are doing a SAI delete, and we have a plug from Urotuning. I'll show you guys this. This is the plug. It's actually pretty cool. It comes from Urotuning, and I was just gonna buy the one off of eBay, but they are pretty much the same price, and why not have the cool Urotuning one? So this is the Urotuning plug, and for the SAI delete, and today we are going to pretty much focus on pulling off of this front end, and I believe it starts with the bumper and the lights. So let's start there, and then I'll meet you guys back. So I remember when I deleted off the old water ball that was right there. This, I believe, was connected to it, and I could never get it off because of all the space that was right here that was just out there. I couldn't take it off. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I believe that this is the SAI right here that I can go ahead and delete off of there. So yeah, let me jump right into that too. Alright, so after some hard work, that is the hole right there. This piece right here is inside of that hole. And I would suggest, if anybody's doing this on their own, this screw right here, the screw that goes right there, is a pain in the butt to get to. I almost thought about removing out the alternator to take it out, but I don't know, moving my way around it and figure it out. But that one right there is a pain in this whole little project right here of removing this out and this whole smog system or whatever, and all these pipes. That one screw right there. But other than that, let's go ahead and get the Urotuning plug in there. Alright guys, so that is the Urotuning SAI delete plug, and I think it looks awesome in there. You know, $15, $20 Urotuning versus eBay, just a plain silver one. Urotuning has a black one with the Urotuning symbol on it. I think I like this one so much better. It was so much worth the purchase, and yeah, I do love it. So if any of you guys think that is awesome, do leave a like, and drop a comment and tell me what you guys think about that. And if you are doing a SAI delete, remember that plug back there is a pain in the butt to get to, and I did end up with the plug with the hoses down at the bottom down here. I did just take this one and just loop it back into that one, because I'm no longer using that one. So I just took it and looped it, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't believe you need any of the rest of this, so you can just go ahead and rip it all out, and all the hoses that runs up top along the side, everything, you can just rip it all out. Yeah. And I guess while I'm at it, I will go ahead and remove off the AC stuff too, because the AC doesn't work, and I am going for the whole shave bay look, so I'm going to go ahead and delete the rest of the AC stuff, because I already started here, so I guess I'll just delete all the rest of it out.